Channel everyone. Today is Saturday, 15th August 2026. Happy Independence Day. As always, we are keeping the things completely transparent. So let's kick off this video by taking a look at my personal stock portfolio. Looking at my current stock portfolio, I'm maintaining a heavy equity tilt. My allocation is sitting at 66.32% in direct stocks and 33.68% in ETF. I currently hold zero mutual funds in this account. The growth here continues to be incredible. My stock portfolio is sitting at a massive 127.28% profit. The individual business I own are executing perfectly. Meanwhile, my ETF's allocation is doing as a stabilizer, currently sitting in a green of 0.2% profit. If you look at my sectoral location, you can see exactly where my conviction lies. The quick service restaurant dominates my portfolio at 57.86 and it's concentrated entirely in one stock. The one stock and the second largest allocation is computer software and consulting at 25.20% and spread across three stocks. Since over half of my entire portfolio is riding on one single restaurant stock, let's transition the main topic of the today's video and talk about why I'm so heavily invested in it. The single stock making up 57.86% of my portfolio is United Food Brands Limited, the parent company of popular barbecue nation chain. Earlier this month, they released their quarter one result of financial year 2027, and the numbers were absolutely stunning in corporate terms. Let's break down exactly why this stock is carrying my portfolio. I would be discussing 4 points on this thing. First point is return on profitability. The biggest headline in United Food Brands is officially back in the black. They report a consolidated net profit of 2.3 crores for for this quarter, completely rebound from massive loss of 16.68 crores during the exact same quarter in last year. Second break. Next point I would like to say is record breaking revenue. They achieved a 425 crores in consolidated revenue. This massive 43.41% year over year increase, making the very first time company has surpassed the 400 crore revenue milestone in a single quarter. Third point is volume led growth. The most impressive part of this revenue jump is how they did it. It wasn't though aggressive price hiking. It was purely driven by a food traffic. Okay, dine-in volume surged by incredible 63.5% year over year. They also saw a same-store sales SSG or hit at 28.7%. Expand. Fourth point I would like to discuss is expanding margin. Operating EBITDA grew at 69.86 crores, which pushed the margin up to 16.4% from 15.5% last year in the same quarter. Their matured restaurants were a key driver of this margin expansion. What we are seeing here is a deliberate push for scale. Their value-driven strategy is bringing customer through the door in a draw, and operating leverage is flowing straight into the bottom line. When a company execute turnaround this flawless, this is exactly the type of business I want dominating my portfolio. Finally, hot topic of the week. Let's wrap up with a quick look at the broader stock market because it was tough a week for indices. Okay, then I would like to say Sensex and Initial have snapped their 2 week winning streak over the course of the week. Sensex dropped 490 points while Nifty declined by 205 points. So what's dragging the market down? It's all comes back to the global crude and geopolitical uncertainty. We are seeing a prolonged impassive between the US and Iran, with the US warning that it could maintain naval blockade of Iranian ports indefinitely. This geopolitical standoff between has pushed the Brent crude oil prices above $87 per barrel because India imports the vast majority of the crude oil. Whenever oil spikes, inflation fear immediately flares up in the domestic market. Combine that with a US 10-year bond yield sitting at 4.66%. You have a perfect recipe for emerging market equities to take a breather. Weeks like this, at the end, I would like to say weeks like this are exactly why I'm focused on holding the high quality individual business while broader market are stressing over crude oil and geopoliticals. My heaviest holding was busy reporting record breaking revenue and massive return to the profitably. If you found value in this breakdown, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment below, are you currently holding any restaurant or cook service restaurant stocks? Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.